Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting sticky notes with consistent size and color contrast. This makes shapes read clearly. Fold a single note in half to create a stiff base, then stack a 3-5 color palette beside you for quick access. Once ready, mark simple guidelines with a pencil and ruler on the top note so your cutting and folding stay precise. This reduces wasted notes. Make sure to tear cleanly along the adhesive edge when separating layers so glue bonds well. Now you build the form. Use a template to cut repeating shapes so every element matches, which speeds the process and improves visual rhythm. Once done, apply glue sparingly to edges and overlap layers by 1 or 2 millimeters so the stack looks seamless and retains slight lift. As you shape, alternate folding and tiny snips to produce smooth curves and interlocking tabs. This technique prevents bulk while keeping the piece sturdy. Keep checking the silhouette from different angles. Finish by adding thin highlight strips and small contrasting accents. This increases depth and draws the eye to focal points. Once done, press the whole composition flat for 10-20 seconds to set the adhesive and reduce curling. Let it cure undisturbed for at least 15 minutes. If layers start to peel later, use a tiny dot of glue underneath or a small piece of invisible tape to reattach. This preserves the shape without bulk. Make sure to trim stray fibers for a clean edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.